What's up guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how I remove my makeup and cleanse my skin at night. So first I take my Neutrogena makeup removal wipes and wipe my face with those. You can use the EQUATE version of these wipes. They do the same thing. They work exactly the same. So either or will work. But first your girl got to remove these lashes because I can't wash my face with lashes on. So I'm just going in with the wipe and cleansing the makeup from my skin. So makeup does take a lot to remove. So I do go in with the second wipe to remove again, and as you can see there's makeup on the wipe, so clearly it all did not get removed on the first wipe. Now I'm taking my cocktail bar soap from ETHELYN'S to cleanse my skin. I use this soap at night because it does help with dark spot removal. Going to take my Clean Skin Club clean towels to go ahead and wipe the soap from my face. Do not use a rag in your face, guys. Rags are very harsh and can be damaging to the skin. So I'm going to go back in and cleanse one more time because again, makeup is not easily removed and a lot of the remnants are left behind while you clean your skin. So I just kind of double up on everything to make sure that my skin is completely clean. Next, I'm putting on my bonnet because I'm about to apply my Sulfur Mask. This does help the skin turn over faster. And after I apply this mask, I will hop in the shower to go ahead and get it removed. It's just easier that way. So we're going to wait and not let that dry. And here I am now, fresh face, feeling refreshed, and going to go ahead and spray my DERMALOX Gold toner spray on my face. This is a mist. It is moisturizing and is perfect to use after masking. And I'm going to let this soak into my skin and dry up before I add my next product. Now I'm taking my vitamin A and adding that. I'm only using a tiny drop on my hand because this product does go a very long way. So I'm just applying this all over my face. And again, I am fanning to get this to go ahead and soak into my skin and dry up real good. And now that that is all dried up, I am going to go in now with my next product, which is my Brightening Gel. And this I will be applying to all of the dark spots that are on my face to get them to, you know, go away. So this is what I've been using. If you all watch my vlogs, you know that I had a couple dark spots by my mouth that are now completely gone. This is one of the products that I use to help aid in that. So same process, a little dot on your hand, and then you take your finger and apply it to the areas that needs it. So again, fanning to get that to soak into my skin before I do my next product. Okay, so now I'm applying my moisturizer. Guys, you do need to moisturize your skin, whether you're oily or not. I am an oily girl, but I do know that as an oily girl, if you don't moisturize your skin will try to overcompensate for not having the oil that it needs. So today I'm using my EQUATE Sensitive Skin Moisturizer. I usually use my Fenty Beauty Hydrovisor, but I am completely out of that right now, so this is what's going to work for me. And now here we are, clean, even skin, glowing and whatnot. So thank you all for watching my video. I'll definitely see you all in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your family and friends.